All right, we have here a brand new Pride Mobility Go chair. And the reason we're doing this video here on this power chair, this Go chair now comes with a 20-inch seat. So before we had 18 by 18, but now we have 20 by 18, no extra cost. So if you're going to order a Go chair, I wanted to show you what the 20-inch seat looks like. So it's 20 wide, 18 deep. This is the new addition to the Go chair line, is the larger seat, which will make a big difference. So you have the 20 by 18 seat. This is a brand new Go chair, but it comes in several different colors: blue, white, and we have several colors. But with the 20-inch seat, the nice thing about this seat also, there's a handle under here, all the way back under here. You can swivel the seat. Also, what you have with this seat, you have, I'm going to bring it back to the front. I'm going to turn it sideways. You have compartments here. So these compartments, when you want to open them up, you have to pull up and out. So up and out. So you have a compartment here, and when you shut it, you have one on each side. And you have a swivel seat. This is a portable chair. What's nice about this chair, I think the heaviest piece is like 37 pounds. You can take it apart in 4 pieces very easily. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show that in a minute here. We have small caster wheels in front. You have these solid tires for the back. You have a small foot plate in front that flips up when you exit the chair. So there's really nothing in your way here the way it's set up right now when you exit the chair. But the nice thing about this chair, it is portable. So when you want to take it apart, here's what you do. Push the seat down. Unplug your cable right here. You have one cable, and it's got a little clip on the back of it right here. So push the clip, it unplugs. Grab your seat. Now, I'm sorry, when you take the seat off this chair, if you have the basket, you have to have the baskets opened. Okay? And then you can grab your seat and pull it straight out. So your seat right here is probably 30, 34 pounds, maybe less. You have a battery pack right here. So the battery pack has a handle. So you do have to give it a little bit of a, because it sits on Velcro. Here's your battery pack, and that's about 30 pounds. And here you have the whole base, okay? Too heavy for one piece, but you can take it apart. Now you have your front, and you have your back. And you can see right here, there's 2 motors back here inside this compartment. You have 2 motors back there. So when you put it back together, you just line up your, you have green lines. You just line up everything. Don't come crooked like this. Just make sure you're coming in straight. Just on a nice straight angle. So again, when you put it together, do not force it. Put it in there. Make sure the block goes into the square, and then you can push it shut. Okay, do not force it. You don't want to break your pin, so do not force it. Put your battery pack back. Oh, on the battery pack, you can take the battery pack in the house and you can charge it inside your house while you leave the rest of the Go chair in your car. You have a reset button right here, so if you ever had the problem, the first place you look at is your reset button right there. That's only if you lose power. If you have power, don't worry about your reset button. When you put the seat back on, I usually bring it this way so I can see where I'm going. And then you flip it on. It's already locked. Shut the basket. Bring the back up. Connect your 2 cables. The one that's coming from the bottom of the chair and the one coming from the seat. Connect them together. And now you will have power again. Now, this joystick is on the right side. It can be put on the left. These arms do flip up. They also go up and they also go out. Okay? You have a safety belt. You have a charger. When you charge your chair, you use your charger. And I'm not going to pull it all out, but you plug your charger below the joystick, and as soon as the batteries are full, the charger will turn off. Okay? So you get a charger with your chair. As I said, you can charge the chair from here when it's all put together, or you can take the battery pack in the house and take your charger and your battery pack and do it inside your house. So let's recap. This chair has a 300-pound weight capability. It's called a Go chair. It's a portable power chair. And now it comes with a 20-inch seat, 20 by 18 deep. Really nice turning radius. Also in the back of your chair, these are for your two motors. If I turn the power off and I push these levers down, now my chair is in freewheel. So you can roll it around, okay? But make sure when you're done rolling it around, you put it back in gear and then you turn your power on. If you leave your power on and you put it in neutral and you go back to driving your chair, the joystick will be blinking. You have to turn the power off and reset it. Let it to come back on.
Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. If you have questions or need to see something else, please leave us a comment. Lastly, please sign up for the newsletter in the description below to get instant access to exclusive promotions. Enjoy the rest of your video.
You have a docking device here, so if you want to put a basket, oxygen holder, all your accessories will go into this port right here, and here's your pin for it. So again, this is the Go chair by Pride Mobility. One of the smallest portable chair on the market. Very quiet, very dependable, 300-pound weight capability, 20-inch by 18 seat. Just a nice, small, compact power chair that will fit the need for many, many people out there. So give us a call. We've got these all the time in stock, and we'd be glad to get one to you as soon as possible. So here we have the Go chair. With the 20-inch seat. The top speed in this chair is about 4 miles an hour, so it's not a fast power chair, but it's a very compact inside. You can go outside with it on a sidewalk. If you do grass, it has to be really nice grass. It's really not a chair for the yard. It's, you know, I'm gonna go through my grass, but you have to have really nice grass if you're gonna do it. So this is the Go chair. Comes apart in 4 pieces. Heaviest piece is about 37 pounds. With the 20-inch by 18 seat. Solid tires all the way around. Just a nice portable power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.